I'm not really feeling the Christmas spirit right now. So tonight I'm gonna do some Christmassy activities and see if I can find it. I think because I haven't done any DIY gifts, I haven't felt really connected to the gifts that I'm giving people. Like, yeah, it's convenient to buy stuff online and it just shows up, but I feel very disconnected from the whole spirit of Christmas. So I'm gonna make some gifts for my friends with stuff that I have in my room. And then I think I'm gonna make some Christmas fudge, maybe peppermint chocolate, something Christmassy, and maybe end the evening with a Christmas movie, because I've only watched a couple Christmas movies. This isn't okay. It's December 15th, and I don't feel that Christmas spirit. So join me as we try to find the holiday joy that I need in my life. So my first DIY gift is going to be for my friend Montserrat. If your name is Montserrat, skip ahead or don't watch, because this is going to be for you. So I'm always on aux when she drives, and it's one of my special talents, and I love to make playlists for people. She likes having playlists made for her. So I'm going to be making a bunch of little mini playlists on cardstock based on mood or vibe, and I'm going to put them in this little container. When she opens it up, she can pick out a little playlist. I mean, yes, I could write it out on a notes app, but is it as cute? No. So we're gonna be doing this because I need to do something crafty, and I don't have a lot of crafts in my house. So let's just get started on this. So I have all of the playlists ready here. I'm gonna put them in this little container. I'm gonna share with you the playlists, not all of the songs on them, but just the vibes. And I have very similar playlists, and they're gonna be longer playlists on my Spotify and on my Apple Music. So here they are, each name. Hopefully you can find the Apple Music one. That one's harder to find. I don't know why. Starting off, we got Jolly, Emo, of course, baddie vibes, when you're in your feels, some Disney jams, when you're feeling nostalgic, you're feeling chill, when you're feeling really nostalgic, when you're having an existential crisis, some hippie vibes, some yeehaw vibes, some 80s glam jams, some oldies but goodies. If you're feeling like a disco queen, a whole playlist for Miss Swift, because she is popular right now, and some throwback hip hop. So I have all of these again on my Spotify, or at least similar playlists on my Spotify and on my Apple Music. So yeah, so this is part of my DIY gifts. I think this is the only gift I'm gonna make tonight because it's getting late and I still wanna make fudge. And I want to watch a Christmas movie, so I gotta get cracking. Sorry, I'm vlogging. I'm making vegan fudge. Even though I'm not vegan.
All for me.
He's vegan.
I'm a pain in the ass. And there they go.
It should taste the same as regular fudge, honestly.
It should, but really.
I don't know if I need more candy canes. Still a challenge, isn't it? I was just gonna be like.
Yeah, don't. That's not what I was saying. I was saying take this and
What?
cross it.
When you make fudge, should the consistency be thin or thick?
Thick.
Because it's kind of thin.
Usually fudge will set up pretty quick.
It just says completely melted until smooth.
Well, it's smooth.
Yeah.
Maybe it sets up different because it's vegan. I don't know.
Then make us some fudge, Kathleen.
Dad doesn't like packing
Heh. No, he likes packing it. He just doesn't like eating it. Well, let's hope that this gets thick overnight. We're gonna top it with some crushed candy canes. First that happens is that it's just a chocolate bar. Yummy.
This is crusty bread imitation rule. 9 out of 10 orphans can't tell the difference.
This is my first time making instant fudge or anything, so give me some credit. So I just put together that vegan peppermint chocolate fudge. That's gotta sit in the fridge overnight. The consistency was a bit thin, so I'm a little nervous about it, but we'll see. It does put me a little bit in the Christmas spirit when you bake with like candy canes, and also it was super easy and I didn't actually have to bake anything. I made a little DIY gift for Montserrat. I think I'm gonna watch the Santa Claus maybe. I don't really have any other DIY gifts in mind right now, but if I do, maybe I'll start doing them during the movie. If not, I'm just gonna cuddle up in bed and enjoy some Christmas movies. So until tomorrow, this has been another day of Vlogmas, and thanks for watching.